Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Daniel Hoff Adventures. Today we're meeting with the Idaho Adventure Motorcycle Club, and we're going to go ride in the Owyhee Mountains, heading down Sucker Creek, Leslie Gulch, and eventually even historic Birch Creek Ranch down to Jordan Valley and back home. It should be an eventful day. These clouds, there's been a few drops of rain, but it's bone dry out there, and these clouds are supposed to go away. It should be fine. Well, we're gonna top off with fuel. Oh, it looks like some members have already arrived. Wise men always said, do not pass fuel. Everybody, all right, we're off. Headed to the Owyhees. Got our group together, had our meeting. It's all good. I'm not going to ride in it. There's not room. I've walked up there. I've been back at that thing, and it's not something I want to do again. I'm not real comfortable with that. Well, what do you think so far?
So far, so good.
So far, so good? Oh, that's what I'd say. Perfect. Oh, man, this is a pretty Sucker Creek Canyon. Wow, this place is really busy. Must have some kind of family reunion going or something. Got some dirt bikes in there, quads. Hi there, you guys. No need to worry. You're good. You're good. Just relax. You're good. No, the bulls are on the other side. Very nice. Leslie Gulch, this way. 8 miles. That's pretty darn cool. I reckon these guys with rafts floated the Owyhee River down from Rome or something. Leslie Gulch, Owyhee Reservoir. Yeah, this reservoir holds a very special place in my heart. Memories of my dad. Look at this. You don't see this very often. See the lake full. This lake can go, 10, 12 years without ever filling. And here we are, it's plumb full. Gorgeous. Here comes the rest of the guys. I can't get over how many people are down here. The rafters coming down. I guess the other guys will be along soon enough, but it's sure nice right now. Well, we made it to Leslie Gulch in time for lunch. Climbing back out right now, and next stop will be historic Birch Creek Ranch. And so looking forward to that. Well, that cutoff will be interesting, so we'll see how that goes. The crew's all here. Well, let's see what Alex does now. This is a little bit more involved, but well, if he went through there, I'm going through there. Oh, that kind of slid my front wheel over a touch, but all is well. There's these little water crossings here and there. That one looks a little deep, but hey. Oh, nothing to it. Good crew. We're gonna shut the gate behind us. All right. We're all through. This road is Mahogany Creek. It turns off of Mahogany Gap. More gates up here. All right, Alex. See how it goes. One little dab. You made it. See if I can make it. I'm going to take it right to the bottom here. Oh yeah.
Got the flag?
Oh, buddy. You can do it, Alex. Attaboy. He's gonna... Ed. That's why they call him Special Ed. He just finds the deepest spots and just goes. Dropping down into historic Birch Creek Ranch right here. Well, well, well. What do we do now? There's some big rocks in there. No problem. Oh, he's going to take the left route. Oh yeah. No problem. Oh buddy, this gets steep. It's not hard though. Up shit. Lucas, what you gonna do? Oh, Lucas. Big rock in here on that right side. Didn't seem to bother Lucas much. And he just center punches the big rocks. How about that? What do you think?
How far down do you want to go? I mean, we can go a few more miles. I didn't know if you just wanted to get to here.
There's the water wheel. A lot of rafters. The Owyhee River's running pretty doggone high. Check out the ford. Oh my gosh, the water's ripping.
Now I've rode that side, but I've come in below White Reservoir Dam. Right. And came in, but it's a long way. We brought spare gas.
What were you on the 500?
No, it's not a KLR.
Oh, yeah.
So people.
You can see the gate up there in that crag in the rocks. That's the end of the line. I rode up there. My last trip had turned around up there.
Taking Rangers up there, but never.
Yeah. Yeah, that's rough up there. I was thinking about fording the river here, but holy, not now, boy. You better have a jet boat. Well, that's going to wrap up this video for today. It was a good day out riding with the Idaho Adventure Motorcycle Club members. Good people, good times. Hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.